pulling in a fish.
Whoa, kokanee there.
Whoa, kokanee flopper.
Yay!
There it is, the third fish.
It's the same size of mine.
Okay, yeah, that's a kokanee.
Woo! Wow, that is a big one.
Big fish one. Oh!
Oh, that's a big one.
Yeah, hold it up a bit.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, that's a big
And it's caught. Oh!
Deeper is
Oh.
better.
See the wiggle hoochie in action? Hello everyone, Brian here with another DIY fishing lure video. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you very much for tuning in and thanks for subscribing and checking out my stuff. Today we're going to be doing a DIY hoochie wiggle edition. So this is a wiggle hoochie edition. It comes in different types. So it looks like something like this. This is a Max Lure blade. This is a Max Lure Wiggle Bill brand. As you can see, this is a chartreuse type. It does come in clear as well, and it also comes in UV. So here's a few of the versions I've done. You can tell that some of them are shiny, or they do light up when I have my UV light, courtesy of Teton Tackle. Check them out, guys. This is a really good flashlight. And some of them are clear, so some of them do have UV, some of them don't, and some of them also come in chartreuse. I think I might have seen this one in pink as well. Anyways, don't forget to check that out. That's a Max Lure, and for all your hoochie and hardware needs, please do check out Teton Tackle. They do have a great discount right now till 8. I believe they also have good deals for Canadian customers. Anyways, check them out, guys. They got a lot of DIY kits over there, Dodgers and whatnot. But anyways, let's get started, shall we? So today we're going to be using 8-pound Maxima Ultra Green. So you're gonna need yourself 20-inch leader. Give that a cut. Let's change the camera angle here for the guys. I don't know if you guys can see me well over there. Okay. So get yourself some leader, guys. Let's see if I can organize this a bit so you guys can see what I'm using. Okay, some of the things that we're going to be using here today, guys, we're going to be using some number 4 octopus hooks. And keep an eye for this offset on the eyelet here. I find that that's important. And then you're going to need yourself some Max Lure wiggle bills. And I got some Teton Tackle luminous hoochies. I'm going to be using this glow bead as well. I don't know if you can see this. I'm going to be using a couple swivels right here, guys. Okay, let's get started. So I got my line right here, and if you guys haven't seen how to make a snell knot, then you guys can tune in. If not, you guys can just go fast forward here. So put your line on the front here, give yourself about an inch overhang, and then take that knot, take that long end and wrap it up. I'm changing it up, guys. I'm going from 8, this time I'm gonna go with 12. I just like the look better. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Take the end. I'm gonna try and do this a little bit quicker, guys, because my other videos were a little bit long. Get some lube. And you should have something like this. Okay. Then put yourself a little glow bead in between. Okay, then next is the other hook. This time come from the bottom. A couple ways you can do it, guys. You can keep these guys pointing the same way. You can keep them opposite. Today, let's go opposite. Keep the top hook and the bottom hook spaced out with that glow bead, and give that a pinch, and then wrap it up 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oopsie. Make sure those are nice and tight, guys. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Bring that back up again underneath that eyelet. A little bit of lubrication. Good to go. So take yourself some scissors and hook it up over there. Make sure you're nice and cinched together. And then the other one's right here. Okay. I think we dropped something. That's good. Okay. Anyways, so that's what you got, guys. You got one hook, and then the bottom hook is spaced out with that glow bead. Alright, so far so good. So take your scissors, cut off that bottom, give yourself a 1/4 inch there. So, what I like to do, let's see, I think I put 4 small beads. Yep, 4 small beads. So we're gonna be using these beads today. I believe that's an 8, so that will be probably around 4. Three, 4. And what I like to do is put the smaller bead inside. So let's do it up. 1, 2, 3. Then I put a really tiny bead. It's probably just one size smaller than the other guy. I like to put my the beads that I don't like inside, as I don't like to waste the beads, especially the pinks. So today we're gonna go for this pink orange. Make sure to check out the luminous, guys. It just adds a little bit more presentation. These are all from Piton Tackle. So what we're gonna do is cut yourself a little slice at the top, just enough for that line to go through. Be careful not to do too big, guys, or else your lures will just slip. Your beads will just slip right through. Okay. So, guys, this wiggle bill is really a productive lure. It works for trout and kokanees. It's a tried and true for sure. Some days it obviously won't work if they're into something else, but definitely it does work most of the time. This is one of my go-tos. As soon as somebody told me about this, it was fish on. Totally game changer, total game changer. So the wiggle bill. So the wiggle bill, we're gonna slide this from the bottom. There's a bottom hole right here. Make sure you go to the bottom, guys, because it does. All right. Okay, so I've gone from the top, from the bottom right here, and don't forget to put it through this hole right here from the bottom. So this makes a big difference. So how it looks now is like this. So once you slip that through, you can shove this in through that tiny little hole. It's better to be snug than loose. Maybe I made it a little too snug. Let's take a look. So shove that into that little hole that you made. Perhaps I should have made it. Oh, no, it looks like it'll be fine. Alright, so that's what it looks like, guys. Very simple. Definitely gets the job done. And that is the wiggle bill. Wiggle hoochie, as they call it. So So don't forget to try out different styles, guys, different designs. There's definitely, Teton Tackle has a bunch of different types of luminous equipment, hooks. So that's what it looks like, guys. So the idea here is this is gonna wiggle in the water, and anything that has action like this, especially this wiggle bill, you're gonna want to keep at least a 16-inch leader. So from the Dodger. So I'm gonna put about, let's see here. It looks about right. So now what we're gonna do is take our swivel. Just put it over there. Give ourselves about 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, a couple more, why not? So take that tag end and put it back in that hole that you created. And what I like to do is take that tag end that you put through and put it back again through that hole that you made. Okay. There you go. There's just some fine line right here. Sometimes I can't even tell. Oh, I guess we're starting over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Take that tag end, put it through that hole. Then back into the other one that you just made just now. Alright, so give it a pinch, a little bit of lube, put it all together. Okay, give yourself a little cut on the very tag end, give yourself a 1/4 inch, and voila, the Wiggle Hoochie is alive. So that's what it looks like, guys. Like I said, you can pair it up with a Dodger. Check out this Teton Tackle right here. This is a DIY lure kit. Like I said, this Dodger came blank, and they give you a choice of whatever stickers that you want to put in. They do have kits over there for the Dodger as well, so definitely go check that out, guys. So the idea here is because of this swivel that I put in, I can just clamp that on, just like so, and boom, guys, ready, simple, done. Okay, there it is, guys. I'm gonna wrap it up right here again, same. Finish it off with that button pin. There you go, guys. Setups that are ready to go. If you guys want to know about these other lures that I made, please check out my past videos. These are the Hoochie spinners. Also, Teton Tackle has an assortment of shrimps as well. I give it another go here, and definitely tune in for my updates. Okay, and then a couple more right here. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in, and this is gonna be it for the video. Like I said, my name is Brennan. Thanks for tuning into my channel. It's all about fishing and gardening. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button, guys. That bell button notifies you guys of my future videos. But for now, thanks for stopping by. See you again on the next video.